it's unfortunate with what happened in Bondi at each shooting. Galing dito yung mag-ama, but let's say that we are a hotspot. Number of visit would not suffice. And all the 28 days that they stayed in Davao, every night they slept in the same hotel. So there is no way that they can or they had underwent or undergone any training in Maguindanao or in Mindanao or wherever. And nobody came to the hotel to visit them. So there are many speculations, but still we have to conclude the investigation before we can say that the investigation is finished. So antayin natin. I've discussed this with my counterparts with the Australian government, and we are working together.
So parang hindi naman, can we rule out na malign information ito or simply a matter of parang ano lang,
May
speculation?
mga grupo kasi na sumasakay dito trying to destroy the image of our country. But even US, the UN have agreed with us na talagang nag-improve na ang ating situation dito. At kayo naman mismo makita niyo.
Sir, na-establish na yung ano yung ginawa nila sa 1 to 20?
Every morning, almost nagkakandak sila ng jogging. Lalabas sila, babalikin sila after 2 hours, 3 hours. Akin ang matagal, 8 hours. No? But still, that window, time window, is not suffice for them to get out of the back. So doon lang talaga sila. Maybe they're using heavily the internet. Maybe they're talking to somebody else. But on other physical activities, wala na.
Sino kaya minimik nila sa inyo? Meron na bang?
Wala. We're still trying to get CCTV footages of different areas of the bank. So, tingnan natin later in the future. But for now, we can say, probably, baka nag-banding yung mag-ama dito. Probably, the son is indoctrinating the father. Kasi mas naunang na-recruit yung sinabid. Yun ang tingnan natin.
Recruited sir by who?
I mean, sinabid kasi 2019. He was already red flag and subjected to an investigation by the ASIO, yung Australian Secret Intelligence Organization. But later on, he was cleared. Yung dalawang kasama ni Navid, nakulong. Supposedly, well, dapat itong mga tao na ganito na naka-watch list, binabantayan yung talaga yung kilos na. Now, persons traveling, one person traveling with an Indian passport, the other one with an Australian passport, hindi lang red flag sa atin.
Sir, paano nyo kina-confirm yung mga sinabi ng hotel staff?
Oh well, this is, we're not just talking to one staff. We're talking to several staff. We're talking also with people outside, but within the vicinity of the hotel. We have collated the reports from the BID, from the BI, from the PNP, from the AP Intelligence. Isa lahat yan eh. Now, there are 7 shooting ranges in the bank. Our operatives also talk to all of them. Hindi nag-appear yung mag-ama.
Sir, would we be able to answer bakit Davao?
Well, that's still a question to be answered. Probably, siguro, alam nila yung Davao is a very progressive city, safe city, and we just can speculate kung bakit Davao yung napili nila. There are possibilities. Like for example, they might be waiting to meet someone who did not came. Or who did not come, no? Pwede na lang. Somebody na maybe a contact na inimit nila pero hindi dumating. So we will, I mean, we can just speculate based on what happened. But one thing is sure, they did not undergo any training here. They did not meet any local, terrorist group member based in Muslim Mindanao, in Bar. So walang ganun.
Sir, last na lang, sir. I know NSC is also involved in yung mga flood control projects na investigations, sir, at least the intelligence monitoring. Sir, may tasking din ba kayo dun sa pagkamatay ni Yusek Cabral at this time?
So it should be a police investigation. So we will wait for the result of the police investigation.
Sir, bakit kaya yung hotel na yun ang pinili? Sa hotel na?
GV?
But based on the hotel staff, these guys are budget conscious. So siguro mura lang, 900 pesos per day. It has about 90 rooms. Pinili nila yan online booking. Maybe hindi siya masyadong conspicuous tsaka mura ito.
So, sir, sorry na nabanggit mo kanina dapat yung mga gitong klaseng, like the younger one, dapat minomonitor even if he was cleared previously. Are we reviewing parang how Australia to Philippine communication about these things?
Yeah, yes. Kasama natin na pinag-uusapan yan. Kasi meron tayong regular BCTC, bilateral consultation on counterterrorism. The last one was hosted by Australia. We sent a delegation to Australia last September. They went to Sydney and Canberra. Next year will be the host.
Okay.
So mas lalong titindi yung coordination natin dito. And then they promised us that they will provide whatever result on the custodial debriefing on the later on.